Tonight in Bellevue, school district officials say they will be sticking with in-person learning for the time being. 3 News Now reporter Jessica Edson tells us how the district is handling the ongoing pandemic.
As coronavirus case numbers continue to go up in Nebraska, the Bellevue Public Schools say those cases have really only made their way into one building.
We only have one that I call kind of a warm spot, not a hot spot yet, but something we're watching at Wake Robin just because of the number of teachers and students at that building recently. And so we'll continue to watch that building and make adjustments as needed.
Last week, across the district, there were 12 cases of coronavirus among students and 15 among staffers. Over 200 students were in quarantine last week, having come into contact with someone who was positive. But the superintendent says these cases are coming from the community spread outside of the schools.
Unfortunately, outside of schools, that's something we can't control, but that's where we're starting to see a lot of cases where it's family events, weekend activities.
At this time, the district says with the low number of cases being traced back to school buildings, they don't feel the need to go virtual.
A 50-50 plan is not, the only thing that does provide us is more social distancing amongst our students. But again, because we're not seeing the community or building spread, it doesn't really help reduce the number of cases we would have because of the cases happening outside of school.
The district says they have plenty of PPE and are planning on welcoming back around 500 students who previously had opted into virtual learning into the buildings next semester. Reporting in Bellevue, Jessica Edson, 3 News Now.
Now, the district did say if they see a large number of staff going into quarantine, they could have to go to virtual learning temporarily.